Okay, people, if you want to fix that, for example, you have render to write. Wait a minute, I have to turn music on. Because I created two renders. Sometimes render may be too bright. That one is okay, but I will tell you what settings I used to achieve that. Not only you have to consider when you go to materials, because we have also sky texture when you have to set intensity of the sun. You have to pay attention when you play around with some settings to cycles background. We also have strength of the light. But the most important settings that you have to pay attention if you work with flagging cycles, because this is important. You can check the Softimage add-ons. This imitates cycles renderer engine, but the most important settings when it comes to brightness of render, that it is option located to located in renderer options. When you go to further up, there's like exposure film. If I decrease to 381, or I can actually use render region 50. You can see how dark it is. But wait a minute, I wanted to show you something. Because I got the sun, I will have to move the sun. Because the sun help us, but that is not the most important thing. What you have to consider when you work in the scene with objects. Okay, I will have to move a little bit. Yes, it is important, but the most important thing is in render option. Exposure is important because if you go to one, that would be too high. You can see how bright it is. If you exaggerate with exposure, no configuration will help you except this. That is the best option, what I used. You can see how beautiful exposure is. Okay, I hope that you like my video tutorials. I will show you the newest project. Now I was able to use ambient CG textures inside Softimage because this has free add-on plugin cycles render engine you can use inside this program. I hope you like my video tutorial. Have a nice day, guys. I was thinking long time ago to publish this video tutorial. I think it is important as well that option in render settings, in settings of cycle render.